Gather your materials. You will need white and black polymer clay, white and black acrylic paint, a dotting tool, a paintbrush, and a toothpick. Step 2. Roll some white clay into a medium-sized ball. Step 3. Flatten the top of the ball a little bit. This ball will be the body of the panda. Step 4. Roll some white clay into a ball. This ball will be the head of the panda. The head should be a bit bigger than the body of the panda. Step 5. Attach the head onto the body. Make sure to blend the head into place. Step 6. Roll some black clay into 2 small balls. These balls will be the ears of the panda. Attach 1 ball to each side of the head. Step 7. Roll some black clay into 2 balls. Roll the balls out a little bit so that they resemble tic-tacs. These 2 pieces will be the legs of the panda. Attach 1 leg to each side of the body. If you need help with this step, watch the video above. Step 8. Roll some black clay into 2 small balls. Roll the balls out a little bit so that they resemble tic-tacs. These 2 pieces will be the arms of the panda. Attach 1 arm to each side of the body. If you need help with this step, watch the video above. Step 9. Roll some black clay into 2 small balls. Then flatten the balls out into circles. These circles will be the black spots under the panda's eyes. Step 10. Place the black